All right, guys, so we got the Mustang up on projects. It is time to start working on this thing. So being the fact we are pretty much ready for paneling in the CNC room, I also got 2 more lights, got the insulation up, and we're ready for some paneling. This wall is white now, so that's exciting. But we're chipping away at this in this area, hoping to be painting the floors and having the machine rolled in about 2 to 3 weeks from now. However, we got the Mustang here. I'm ready to go racing, not gonna lie. We left off good, but we also left off a little toasty on our last outing. So we got a little bit of rebuilding to do. We pulled off the valve covers. Everything looks fine on the motor. I looked at the run data. Everything looks fine. It's really just a lot of just burn up stuff and dirty stuff. So pretty much gonna start by pulling off some of these hoses and disregarding those, and then soon to pull out the motor and then everything else that is burned. While I wait for this stuff to dry, I got the radiator off there. Probably just gonna try and clean this one up and use it. It's already got all this stuff welded to it. That looks like to be cleaned up. Might need a new fan. Probably clean up that fan shroud. I don't know. We'll see how it cleans up though. I'm pretty sure it could all be reused. At least not that stuff, definitely not. Fuel cell just needs cleaned up. Here's the oil pump belt on the verge of breaking. Vacuum pump belt. All right, so I got the fuel drained and gonna pull this fuel cell off and everything now, and then we should have pretty much front access to the front of the motor. Pull that vacuum pump off because the motor's coming out anyway. Converter is basically we're gonna try and either get a new converter or send that converter out and have that one kind of updated to the car now, because to mind you, that is the converter from the Flame Camaro, and now that car was at 2,800 pounds with this engine and transmission combo. Now mind you, this is way lighter. So got toolbox set up, at least one of them. So we got the fuel cell off, the radiator off, got most of the fuel system off of the front of the car. I'm gonna take the headers off now and kind of get this motor ready to pull up out of there. That way we can get this thing clean and back to square one. It kind of sucks because it feels like I'm being put back 10 steps of where I was about 3 months ago, but it's all right. I got the headers off, I got the nitrous unhooked, I got pretty much everything unhooked to take it out of the car, with the exception of the converter bolts and the mid plate and motor plate bolts. But we got everything on the front and the headers, and then everything on the firewall, MSD related, nitrous related, sensor related, all unhooked.
supposed to be lit, and for whatever reason the bulb was burned out. Anyway, you give her a pump once or twice with the gas, hard, like 4, yeah, 1, 2, all right, now hit the starter button. The starter button is this one, it's a momentary use, so go ahead. Okay, and then you can pump it. Now your fuel. That's it.
It does sound pretty good.
Yeah.
Our gym is in an industrial park, and look at the boat. That would have a big black Chevy in that thing.